Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. So today I'm using currently the Screencast-O-Matic for the screen capture, and pretty much all I'm gonna show y'all today is something I do on pretty much a regular basis, which is just get on the computer and log on to Blackboard and check my email and my assignments pretty much. So first, you just gotta open web browser like this. Next, just enter into the URL Tiger Tracks. Pretty simple. And it'll be the first one like always. And since I already have my stuff saved, it just logs me in automatically, but I'll log out. So, welcome guest. Then you click login to Tiger Tracks. Secure login. My stuff is already saved, so I don't have to enter anything in. Sign in. Take a little second. Voila. Blackboard and my email. I mean, this is pretty simple considering it's something we do every day, but yep.